Ah, look what happened now. The end of the vacation, the end of the fun. No shop in sight. What a disaster. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. The first thing you do is to set yourself up near the stove or gas flame and take the bit out you need to fix, and then pull the other one through the hole. And of course you will see that I used our kitchen cutting board for this exercise. Not recommended, I would say. And my wife, who is helping me do this, will probably notice it and talk to me afterwards. When everything is ready, get yourself a knife or blade or utility knife or some thin plate that you can hold without getting hot, and put it in the gas flame. The red, brown and blue colors will tell you the heat. In this case, you'll see the brown and blue move away from the tip. That means the tip is going to get red hot. In this light you can actually not see it, but it's pretty close to red. Then position the knife or the hot blade so that you can push the plastic on both sides. When it's melting, pull away the knife and the molten parts will press together and glue itself. This is quite a strong joint, as you can see. And then you just set up the shoe as it should be. You will notice that on the other side of this flip-flop there was a previous fix which held nearly a year. Not bad. You can also cut off the bits there, and as you see, I ruined the knife by heating it, so the tip is useless. Don't worry, you can buy another, or I will. Then you can also join any kind of thermoplastic, in this case the ear of my glasses. This is that El Cheapo read-only +2 glasses. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. And of course I suggest you position it much better than I did, but I want to show you the point. It's strong and it will hold a long time after this. There you have a very nice tip. I hope you use it, fix all your things, and of course send these to your friends who you know have a lot of broken flip-flops or other shoes or glasses or whatever. And of course subscribe below for more tips. Bye bye.